Let me open all of this quick. And we are going to just like randomly add this one on. I'm gonna go in the diagonals. You don't have to be like really have to be perfect. And then here, just quick, just flash here 10 seconds. So I have hunter green, and then I'm gonna go use pumpkin, which is the best thing about Glitz gel palettes is have every single colors. It has the swatch right on the top, just in case you're busy, you don't have time to making a swatch for your clients. You can definitely count on this, and it's gonna make it look so easy, save you times. Okay, so here 10 seconds. Where's my, I can do a flash here, right here. It's not runny at all, but I just want to get few colors out. And then now we have like Fall in Love. And then I want some like hunter green again. I'm gonna be careful, I'm not gonna try to key it again. Don't drip on me. Here's a Fall in Love. And randomly, you don't have to make it like perfect. Okay, flash key it really quick. Okay, and a little bit pumpkin. All right, just that. Okay, here for 30 seconds. I'm going to using the pudding too, but then the Fall in Love, it looks really good, so I'm end up using a Fall in Love. So this is the newest collection for fall. So I love the pigment.
Ask you, what are you creating?
What I am creating? Spontaneous. I'm just trying to do some cool paintings for you. Yay. Okay, so now it's good. You're happy with this? I don't know if I'm happy with it. It's not done yet. It's a good question, Bellas. Like now you was asking me, I said, wait a minute, what I am doing it now. But wait, hold on. I'm gonna using no wipe top coat. I'm gonna create some fun veinings. Completely here for 30 seconds. All right. And now we are going to a premium iHold chamfer foil. No, get me the different one. Give me a new one. Fresh one out there. Out the door. On the shelf. So now it's a great thing that if you are in local in Pensacola, you can definitely come visit us. We are here and we're open from Monday to Saturday, 10 to 5. Or if you're not, you can shop absolutely confident like 24/7 online at Glitz Accessories and such. So I just drop a premium iHold chamfer foil gel. And go ahead and using twin tip brush. Right there. Right there. I go ahead and apply that in between the, like a line of the colors. Just draw it like really small line. Between those colors. I did several different kind for everyone before. We did with the foil, and then you can also do with the gel polish. And then if you love the liquid powder, like Brazil, I know that you love liquid powder. You can do this with liquid powder. You can have a stained glass. What do you call stained glasses design? The reason I didn't want to cover the nails because the chrome flake underneath is so like beautiful, so I don't want to cover everything. So I give it a little bit line on that. So make sure yours go ahead and cover enough of yours chamfer foil premium iHold chamfer foil gel. The gel will not, I mean the foil will not adhere to that if it's not going to be enough. Okay, so we're gonna clear for 30 seconds. To side. 30 seconds, and let's see what is going to, how it's gonna turn out. With this one, I did use the premium iHold chamfer foil, and I did top coat it first. The reason it is because if we do not top coat it and we apply chamfer foil all over the nails or on the nails, it will stick on the colors. It will stick on the colors of your should we do this one?
It's up to you.
This one, it's up to you, whatever colors you want, but I'm gonna do like really sparkle. You can do rose gold, you can do is like matte rose gold, holo rose gold. You can do is matte gold, holo's gold. Let's see how is this one gonna turn out. So ready? I'm gonna rub it all over the nails. And also, I have a lot of cuticle oils. I just have a cuticle oil before I start live, so then it's like really slippery. So I'm gonna using the dual and tweezer and give it a good rub. Ready? There you go. Look at how it chamfers everything. And then pretty much is it. If you want to do crystal placements on, you can definitely add some crystal placements on it. And if you want to add anything else, you can also do it too.